Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a seemingly small but crucial component for many Samsung printers, the JC93-00540A mainframe pickup rubber. This little black rubber part, manufactured by Samsung, plays a vital role in ensuring smooth and consistent paper feeding. If you've been experiencing paper jams, misfeeds, or your printer struggling to grab paper from the tray, this pickup rubber might just be the culprit. Over time, these rubbers can wear down, become brittle, or lose their grip, leading to frustrating printing issues. The JC93-00540A is designed for specific Samsung printer models, so it's essential to double-check compatibility before purchasing. You can usually find a list of compatible models on the product page or by consulting your printer's manual. The rubber itself has a glossy screen surface description and is, of course, black. It's a small detail, but the quality of the rubber compound is important for its longevity and performance. A good pickup rubber needs to be durable enough to withstand repeated use and maintain its grip over time. Replacing the pickup rubber is generally a straightforward process, but it can vary depending on your printer model. Many online tutorials and videos can guide you through the steps. Typically, it involves accessing the paper tray area, locating the old rubber, and carefully removing and replacing it with a new JC93-00540A. While it might be tempting to try cleaning or restoring an old, worn-out rubber, replacement is usually the best long-term solution. Cleaning might provide a temporary fix, but the underlying issue of wear and tear will eventually resurface. Investing in a genuine Samsung JC93-00540A pickup rubber ensures optimal performance and compatibility with your printer. While aftermarket options might be available, using a genuine part minimizes the risk of further issues or damage to your printer. So, if you're battling paper feed problems with your Samsung printer, don't overlook this small but mighty component. The JC93-00540, a mainframe pickup rubber, could be the key to restoring smooth and reliable printing. Be sure to check compatibility, follow the replacement instructions carefully, and get your printer back in top shape.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.